What's up, guys? I'm making Tangier, and this is a type of old-fashioned type of drink. It requires bourbon. Now I'm pouring 2 ounces of bourbon. That's what it requires. And don't forget to put the ice in your cup, right? If you want, you can put 2 cubes of ice. And then after that, it's about 1/4 of an ounce of Ras el Hanout Syrup. So not that much syrup. And this is a syrup with a lot of spices in it. It has allspice berries, black peppercorns, cinnamon, whole cloves, coriander seeds, ginger, nutmeg, turmeric, so much. And then you're gonna add 4 dashes of classic bitters. And then you're gonna mix it for 10 to 15 seconds. And then you're gonna add a orange twist as garnish, and then a lemon twist as garnish. And then what I like to do is I like to put, me personally, a maraschino cherry on top. Put the cherry on top. And that's gonna do it. This is the Tangier. It's a bourbon and Ras el Hanout with classic bitters type of drink. It's such a good classic drink, especially if you want to upgrade your old fashioned.